I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put Sony headphones into pairing mode. First, let's power on your headphones. Find the power button, usually on one of the ear cups. Press and hold it for approximately 2 seconds until you hear a power on sound or see the indicator light illuminate. This confirms your headphones are ready for the next step in the pairing process, ensuring a smooth connection to your device. Now, to enter pairing mode, ensure your headphones are completely off. Then, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds. You'll notice the indicator light begin to flash blue and red alternately. This distinct pattern, along with an audible Bluetooth pairing prompt, confirms your Sony headphones are actively searching for a device to connect with. Keep holding until you hear the prompt. With your headphones in pairing mode, grab your desired device, like a smartphone or tablet. Navigate to its Bluetooth settings menu. You should see your Sony headphones appear in the list of available devices. Select them to initiate the connection. Once successfully paired, the indicator light on your headphones will flash blue rapidly, confirming a stable and ready-to-use connection. If you encounter any issues, here are a few helpful tips. First, always ensure your Sony headphones have sufficient battery charge. Second, try to keep your headphones and device within 1 meter of each other during the initial pairing process. Finally, if problems persist, a simple reset of your headphones can often resolve connectivity glitches, getting you back to enjoying your audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.